Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to get DoorDash promos in 2023. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to get discounts for free. So, let's get started by opening your browser. In my case, it's Opera GX. But you can use either Google, Safari, or any other browser that you know of. So, now that you're in the browser, you're just gonna have to search DoorDash promos 2023. And as you can see, there are a ton of news websites, and if you tap on one of them, you can use these for free. So basically, just tap on that, tap on anyone, and here you go. They're giving out free coupons. Like this one, it says spend $20 and then you get 50% off, which means $10 off, plus free delivery. So who wouldn't want that? And this is all just a simple hack to getting food in a cheaper way. But I think it also damages the money that the business owners earn. So you can just use these coupons however you like. Because I think if you use them, then the people making the food won't get the amount of money that they're supposed to get, but I'm not sure. And if it doesn't work here, you can always try searching it on Twitter. You can search DoorDash promos 2023 again, and I'm sure they will have free promos and coupons and codes posted there already. So all you have to do is just search on Google or Twitter. And it's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.